In front of me is ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then go to System and click on Advanced. As you can see, there is no developer options, so you need to unlock them at first. To do it, just click on About Phone and then locate build number, tap 7 times on this icon, and as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let's go back, and now developer options appeared right here. Let's open them, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice automatic system updates, smoothly marked, and that's it. As you can see, from now on it is active, and your updates will be applied automatically once your device restarts. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.